Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Triple H RV right here in Haleyville, Alabama. Oh my gosh, this is a brand new model for this year of Forest River Salem Hemisphere. So let's get started. This is a 2026 Forest River Salem Hemisphere, model number 323RLI. So let's get started. The length on this Hemisphere is 38 feet 9 inches. The dry weight is 9,278 pounds with a hitch weight of 1,205 with a GVWR of 11,405. Now, I didn't say they made anything light.
Not light, not short, but if you work from the road, Bob, this is a really cool floor plan and something to consider. And we're excited to bring it to you because it is new for 2026. Let's start right up here. You're going to have an electric tongue jack. Now, your propane bottles, of course, are going to go behind that cover. There's a very loud golf cart going by. And as you can see, your batteries will mount right there. Yeah, pass-through storage. It is lit up in here. Pretty nice. Not the biggest in the world, but it's pretty nice. But then you have this. So, yeah. Pretty good under there.
Right.
Moving right along. For those who like to know where your dump area
To the dump, to the dump, to the dump.
and pull handles, they're all right there.
Tankless water heater. And that was a very loud truck.
We are in Alabama, so
Hey, hey.
just saying. All right, as you can see, this is a Salem Hemisphere. I don't think they've done a whole lot of changing to the outside graphics.
Maybe a little, not
yeah,
much.
I think they've tweaked them a little bit. But like I said, this is a new floor plan, so yay. All right.
Try to get it out before Josh did.
Oh, now. All right, looking at the back of it, you have got this huge window back here at the back. It's going to be prepped for a backup camera and a Lippert ladder. Looking down here, you see you do have an outside shower, and I'm not really sure why somebody stuck a water bottle in there, but the water bottle does not come with this model, but you do have a receiver hitch there.
That's a protector.
Okay. So, for a accessory rack. Now, coming on around.
Propane is up under there.
Oh, it is.
Kind of a...
Yeah, that's gonna be a little hard to get to.
All right, we need to do
Just,
another estimating here on this.
Oh, this is a big awning, so
We need to do a little estimating.
let's hold it here. We're gonna get fairly close.
Oh, gosh. Nearly 21, but it's like 20...
Well, we're sagging a little bit, so
Well, it's just over 20 feet. I'll just tell you that.
it's a big awning. So, yeah, let me get back here and show it to you. So you're going to have a very big awning. Guys, look at how big these windows are. These are just super nice. We will show you the other side of this pass-through storage real quick and then go in and take a look.
Okay.
There we go. See that you got a light. And you are going to have power stabilizers on this.
I'm going to say that's probably a 21-foot awning.
That sounds good.
That does sound good. That's what we'll
You
call
have a
it.
really big awning, so.
Yeah. Check this dude out.
And here we go. Okay. Like we said, this is a new floor plan for 2026. First impressions, what do you guys think? We definitely want your feedback because anything that you interact with us, it really helps us out. But this big L-shaped sofa back here, this is just awesome. Of course, it goes out into the slide. You are going to have an ottoman, and I'm sure that this has got storage under it. Somehow. Let's see if I can do this one-handed.
What happened to our lights?
I don't know. It's okay. We may have to do it without lights.
Well, we...
Oh, there it is. Oh, sorry. I just dumped that off in the floor. But look, there's storage underneath. And we're not sure why our lights aren't on, but that's okay. So
Something's beeping too.
Yeah. Right over here. This is when we said if you guys work from the road or need to do kids' homework or anything like that, you do have this awesome little desk area. And when you pull the chair out, you've got some drawers underneath it. Just like that. And these are actually nice sized drawers. You also have some floating shelves right up here. And then there is a little shelf area that runs right along the back of the sofa. Now, we showed you from the outside this window. Woo, it's nice. It's a big window. As you can see, your heating is going to be in the floor. So let me put this back up. I wish I could feel this material. This material is so nice and soft. And it's really well padded. Alright. Gonna have a seat over here. Okay, I don't know what you did to the lights, but anyway.
Well, I don't know. They just went off. It was not me.
Okay.
I'm just saying.
So, when you have a seat on this awesome L-shaped sofa and prop your feet up, you are directly in front of your TV that looks like a 50.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yay! Then it's got storage underneath. And the lights flickered again. I don't know what's going on. It's okay. We got plenty of lights. Then you've got this really nice electric fireplace under here. Again, no heating in the floor in this one. It is all going to be in the cabinetry. There is storage back there. It's locked.
Ah!
There.
It's in there.
Yeah. So, say hello to your great big pantry.
That's nice.
That is nice. And
like
it does have a lock.
Yeah.
So you can lock it and see there's a little sign for it. So it won't come open during transit.
There we go. Cool.
So this is all one great big slide that we're looking at back here. We'll just go ahead and move into the kitchen area. You've got upper storage, not solid surface in here, but you have so much prep space in these big drawers and nice shelves there. We have a 3-burner cooktop with an oven and looks like a matching drawer down there.
Yes, ma'am.
I like that. And then to finish out your slide, you have a 12-volt compressor fridge that is on. Now let's show you this super nice island here. You've got a plug-in right there. Again, not solid surface in here, but this is a really big island. You actually have 4 bar stools around it. Great space for your breakfast. You're going to be looking out these 2 huge windows.
Ah, that's what we need to do. It's hot in here.
It is a little warm. It's warmed up on us today.
There we go.
Big stainless steel sink with a pull-down faucet and great storage underneath. Plenty of room for a garbage can. Then, we're not finished with this kitchen yet because it's just amazing. You have this really great coffee bar, taco bar.
I like where they put the...
Yeah, so the microwave is not over your stove. It's
I like that.
It's over on the side. And then you have some really good storage. These big drawers. This would make an amazing coffee bar. I'm just saying.
Yeah, that's sharp.
And ice cream.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, right.
Yeah, can you tell it's about lunchtime? So, yeah, plug in. You do have USB charging. Nice lights up under there. So,
30.
while he is in there getting all of that ready, I'm just going to have to show you guys this living room again because I just love this. It's amazing. Another huge, giant window right here coming down the hall. And then as you step into the bathroom.
30 by 40.
Woo! Yeah. Now, there is a skylight. Jeremy's 6 feet tall. This one has lots of headroom in it.
Yeah.
And you actually have a little bit of a step up getting in it. So, really great space in here. Porcelain. And you got some hooks right up there. It is a little bit smaller fan, but hey, you do have a fan. So, there you go. Over here around the sink.
Wow.
Actually, pretty
Nice.
nice counter space area. Couple of drawers here. Little storage right there. And then you have some open storage down beneath. Not a medicine
Oh.
cabinet, but you do have a backlit mirror that he just covered up. Like that. And then you've got storage over here. So,
Yes.
yes, it's going to get the golden plunger. The only drawback is you are going to have to store your towels down here at the bottom.
I'm going to give it to it.
But yeah, then you got these shelves up here.
Hey. Hey.
And it's really pretty backsplash. I like this. And then the
like
black
that.
and gold. I know a lot of people
Some
don't like them.
it.
It's the thing now. All right, let's move into the main bedroom. And wow, I mean, guys, they've done really well with
Yeah,
this.
they did.
You have a king size bed in here with a padded headboard. You're going to have a couple of shelves up above on each side, and this is a tall slide, and they didn't put cabinets up above it, so that gives you a whole lot of open feeling in here. While I'm pointed in this direction, I'll just go ahead and show you this right over here. So you've got a hanging area, and I can't see around the corner. Yes, there it is, prepped for
Stackable.
yeah, stackable washer and dryer, or you could do a combo unit if you like. And that does have a sliding door to it. So now let me come around. So looking at the front, you're going to have this nice windshield, and then look at how big these two wardrobes are right at the front. I don't know if those shelves come out.
No.
Oh.
Yes.
Yes, I was about to say
they're
they're-
removable.
Yeah, I was about to say, to use the hanging rack, they're going to have
Yes.
to move. So,
Awesome.
So yeah, you can do what you want to with it. You've
Hey,
got
you
this,
got little reading lights over here.
and it's a really nice seating area. So hey, if you travel with cats, except that our cat sleeps on our head, but that's okay. And then at the foot of the bed, you actually have a really nice vanity area,
Yes.
and it's got a backlit mirror.
You
to
really
it.
like that.
I do like that. That is actually really, really nice. At the foot of the bed, you got 6 drawers. And I think we're about to have some company, so we're almost done though.
Well, they can just be on the video.
Absolutely. And then if you want to add a TV, it'll go right up here.
Yes.
You do have an extra extra AC in here. So yeah, this is just a super nice floor plan.
Oh, under the bed.
Under the bed.
Hey, there you go.
Yeah, and we could see that from the outside. So you've got these baskets. And then you see that you do have some really, really good floor space in here.
Okay.
All right.
All right, everybody. If you like this Salem Hemisphere, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.